I'm Martin Caddick, Head of Transport for the Bradfords Group based in Somerset. In Q1 of 2018 we took delivery of over 180 pieces of mechanical handling equipment. The equipment consisted of JCB telly trucks, combi lift side loaders and C4000 multi-directional machines, and also in excess of 100 Heister counterbalance machines as well. It was very clear that Briggs Equipment wanted our business right from the start, and that made us feel safe in committing to them because they could offer us the end-to-end solution we required for our mechanical handling needs.
For me, it's all about making sure we can rely on the trucks because it has such a massive impact on how we manage the branch on a day-to-day basis. With the new trucks, we really have that trust that we're not going to come in every day having to report problems and then wait for a long time for them to be fixed.
The new Heister trucks we've got are very, very comfortable to drive. Also with some very good safety features with the blue spotlight reverse, customer awareness and easy access horn for when reversing. Also it's got a key code start which only authorised drivers can use.
We specified the equipment with the Trelleborg pit stop solid tyres. Because they've got the 100-hour limit, we know that we can use that to make sure we take those tyres to their absolute end of life. Therefore, we're maximising efficiency, keeping our costs down, but also we know we're not endangering ourselves or compromising our safety. We use the BE portal, and this provides us a one point where we can go to get the fleet numbers, we can check the records on the machines, we can check the LOLA certification. It really does everything we want it to do. The transition of moving from wholly owned equipment to a leased finance option through Briggs, I have to say, has been seamless. Briggs have met our expectations and in fact exceeded them on many occasions. Anyone considering changing the way they run their mechanical handling equipment should really consider contacting Briggs and seeing what they can do for your business.